'cause it's 9 in the afternoon, and your eyes are the size of the moon. I left my room on the west side. Oh,
This must be love. Boom, clap, sound in my heart, the beat.
Hey guys, what's up? It's me, Maddie, and I'm here with another YouTube video. As you can tell, this video looks a little bit different. I'm filming with my new camera, the Canon SL2, so I'm super excited about that. Second of all, I have hung up Valentine's decorations because, guys, it's February, and February equals Valentine's Day. Woo woo. I'm super excited to wish you guys happy Valentine's Day and to get this video out for you guys how to make the perfect Valentine gifts DIY. So if you don't want to buy those cheap baskets, like cheap ones like at Walmart or somewhere, like, or really expensive stuff that just comes with a little bit of stuff, then stay tuned because I'm going to teach you how to DIY your Valentine's Day gifts for your loved ones. I'm going to be showing you guys 3 gifts you can give to your loved ones on Valentine's Day. Real quick, this is a collaboration. Woo woo. I love doing collaborations. This is a collaboration with Hannah Grace. She's a really sweet girl, and she decided to do this collaboration with me, so I am so excited about that because I have been wanting to do a collaboration with her since Halloween. Yes, I know. So Hannah Grace is going to be making a Valentine's Day makeup look video for you guys, tutorial. Please go check it out because she does amazing makeup videos, like seriously. So I'm super excited to see how it looks. So guys, this is like the perfect package. This is like gifts on Valentine's Day, look on Valentine's Day. Now all you need is decorations, and you probably can find a video like that. Okay, so her video will be in the link down below, or you can click on her face at the end of the video when it appears. These are not just going to be for like your boyfriend or your girlfriend. These can be for your mom, dad, boyfriend, girlfriend, brother, sister, whatever you want it to be. It can be a last minute. They're really simple to make, and I can't wait to show you guys what I got in store for you. Let's get started on these DIY Valentine's Day gifts. Okay guys, so for the first project, you will need 3 Rolo sticks. You guys can get like the red craft felt you guys can get. But I am just using a red coloring piece of paper because I need my red felt for something else. Fuzzy sticks, I call them cat toys. You can use tape or you can use glue for this project. And you'll need some scissors probably. You're going to take your Rolo sticks and you're going to roll them up in the paper and see how much paper you need until it covers the whole Rolo. So about until there, and then you're going to cut it just enough for the Rolo to fit in. Okay, now that we got that done, we're going to roll it up in it. Okay, so it should be kind of like that. Okay, now you can tape or glue this part, like piece like hanging right here. Okay guys, so this is what it should look like with the golden piece sticking up like that. You're gonna make 2 more of these, and then I'll show you what to do with it after you're done making the 2 others. Now we're going to put them together, but make sure these sides aren't showing. You put them together like that, and you don't let those sides show. Now that your Rolo stick is put together, get one of your kitty strings out. Tie your fluffy string around the Rolo sticks, just like this. Then get another piece of kitty string, stuff it down there. Okay, like that. Mine's a little bit too long. Okay guys, so here is how the bomb should turn out. It's so cute! Look at it, guys. Oh my gosh. It's so cute! Let's move on to the next project. So for the next project, you will need a paper towel roll, a glue gun, little shiny stuff, chocolate, some gifts, surprise wrapping stuff, or you can use the craft felt, but I'm going to be using this because I like the color of this one better. You can do this is optional, but you can add money to it. This is what we're gonna do. You're going to stuff the money and the candy that I may have or may have not have already opened and ate some into the tube. So, but first you're going to want to cut off a little bit at the ends. You're going to want to cut 2 parts of the tube. Now stuff it with money and candy. Then you can dump some sparkles in there. Okay, now that you have your goodies stuffed up in there, and you're going to go around with it like that, okay? Then you're gonna kind of like stop at the ends and pull at them. Now you're going to take your other pieces and like stuff them. Make sure you like fold them on the inside. Like this. Okay, now fold it in. Then of course you can glue it. Okay, now you can add some hearts and stuff to it. I think I'm gonna add some of these to it. Okay, here it is, and you can wrap something around it on the middle, so I might do that. Now you're going to take this, and glue it on. Then you can write whatever you want. I'm gonna write Happy V-Day. Okay guys, and here is how this one turned out. It's so exciting because if they open it, they're gonna get money and candy and sparklies. I made a red one like it, so yeah, they kind of look different because I made this one just for looks. There's not really any candy in it. You can see it's hollow. This one's got the fun, you pull the sides off, and it's just like a crazy popper. And I wrote Happy V-Day. So for the next project, you will need a piece of paper that you can cut out into a letter, some heart stickers, a Sharpie. This is going to be like letters you can write to a friend, your mom, your dad, and it can be free little coupons for you to do things for them, or it can just be something to make them smile. I made a bunch of these. This one is you're having a bad day, open when you're having a bad day, open when you're bored, open when you're sad, open when you're feeling lonely, open when you're happy. These can be for, they're usually meant for boyfriend or girlfriend, but you can do it to your mom or anyone really, because if you don't make it romantic, then it'll be good. Put hearts right there, the stickers, so they look like little stamps and you mail them off. It's really cute. So we're going to be making one. Let's make one. Take your card, write whatever you want on it. I'm gonna write, open when let's do open when you're feeling silly. I'm going to color in the heart right here with the pink Sharpie. Now we're going to put our sticker, our stamp on the letter. Now we're going to put it on the open one. And voila! And you write something really sweet inside, of course, something really sweet. Here, how it should look if you're gonna make a lot like I did. It's a really cheap way to make a cute Valentine's Day gift, but it's still a way to be really personal with the person. Okay guys, so here is the final look of all the crafts I did. Here is You're the Bomb. Here is the surprise popper we made. And then last but certainly not least, the letters we made. That's a lot. 3 fun crafts you can give to anyone. I'm so happy over how they all turned out. Okay guys, so that is it for the video. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share. Make sure you share to anyone who is struggling finding Valentine's Day gifts for someone. I want to know what you guys thought of these DIY gifts. Please comment down below and tell me if you're single or you're with someone this Valentine's Day, because I know for sure that I'm spending another Valentine's Day alone. I don't have anyone this Valentine's Day, but I'm okay with that because right now I'm kind of like busy trying to improve my YouTube videos, and I'm busy starting school. In the fall time I will be at college, so I'm kind of like don't want anyone right now. Comment down below if you have someone or you're hoping you'll get someone on Valentine's Day. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you check out Hannah Grace's video. Link will be down below, or click on her face at the end of the video. And thank you guys so much again for stopping by. If you do any of these DIYs, make sure to tag me on Instagram in them, and I would love to repost them. Thank you guys. Bye.
This must be love.